Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to record sounds on MOTOROLA Moto G52. Let's go! It's very easy. All you need to do is you need to use app called Recorder. Got it. You need to allow it. You don't need to allow it. You can allow it, and okay. All you need to do is press this circle, red circle. Yes. Here, and you allow it. Allow, because if you are recording and someone calls you, it would disrupt the recording. Yes. Okay, let's start it. Hello guys, it's my name, Hard Reset. I'm 18 years old. I'm going to show you how to record sounds, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. Okay. And now let's see if it works. That's title, tutorial, it's safe. Hello guys, it's my name, Hard Reset, 18 years old. I'm going to show you how to record sounds, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay. As you can see, it works. Thank you for watching, have a good day, goodbye.